at the end, base is important. For base knowledge, KodNest is providing the very suitable knowledge to everyone. My name is Bijaya Paudel. Basically, I'm from Nepal, and currently I'm staying in Bangalore. And I just graduated from the Brindavan College of Engineering in Bangalore, from Computer Science of Engineering department. And I'm hardworking and a self-motivated person. And my short-term goal is to get a job in a company where I can learn and use my skill. And my long-term goal is to get a good position in that company so that I can fulfill my dreams. And I love to play sports like games, video games. That's all about me. Firstly, I know KodNest because of my some of people have joined KodNest and they got job also. In the I think 12 or 11 months ago, I got this Dream Factory website. And during that time, I was unable to complete that free course. That at that time, I think it's not available for everyone. 9 weeks program now is available. And before that, I did 2-3 weeks course. I did already 11 months ago. And this KodNest team launched a CSVR program in my college also. Through that, I get to know about the KodNest, and so many people are placed from it. From that, I also take a big opportunity from that. I also selected in CSVR program. That also they told no any charges. At the end, base is important. For base knowledge, KodNest is providing the very suitable knowledge to everyone. From that only, I able to learn programming easily, like how the programming evolved. Everything is making me easy to learn. Parents' reaction is actually they were happy, like they don't need to send any pocket money for me. Yeah, I'm recommending everyone because I tell everyone to first do that 9-week program. After that, you will get to know you should pay or not. After 9 weeks, they should pay also, because I know KodNest so late. If I know it in the 3rd year, I will join a whole program. Actually, I won't have I will get the full opportunity from KodNest. Actually, in the field of knowledges, I will grab everything. I know about the KodNest at the end of my career, and it will be like in the end of career, it is difficult to everyone. After completing the graduation, everyone will think that I should to do job, but they don't have knowledge. If you came in 3rd year, start of end of 3rd year, by telling that you won't be able to a jobless before only, during that time, if you take the time of a student, they will easily attracted.